Step 5 for dummies. Admitted to God, to ourselves, and to another human being the exact nature of our wrongs. What step 5 really means. Step 5 is basically saying, I'm going to tell the truth about myself out loud to someone safe. It's not about punishment, it's about relief, connection, and dropping the secrets that keep you sick. Break down in the simplest terms. 1. Admitted to God. This just means being honest with whatever higher power you chose in step 2, 3. It can be God, the universe, nature, the group, your future self. Anything that represents truth and guidance to you. It's about honesty, not religion. 2. To ourselves. This is the part people skip without realizing it. It means owning your patterns, seeing your part clearly, not sugarcoating or minimizing. You can't heal what you won't acknowledge. 3. And to another human being. This is the scary part, and the part that creates the biggest freedom. You share your step 4 inventory with a sponsor, a trusted friend, a counselor, a spiritual advisor, anyone safe, mature, and non-judgmental. Why? Because secrets lose their power when spoken. Step 5 in one sentence. I'm telling the truth about who I've been so I can become who I'm meant to be. Why step 5 matters: because secrets fuel addiction, shame grows in silence, honesty creates connection, speaking the truth breaks denial. You finally stop carrying everything alone. Most people feel lighter, relieved, and more human after step 5. Step 5, quick checklist. I finished my step 4 inventory. I chose someone safe to share it with. I'm willing to be honest, not perfect. I understand this is about freedom, not blame. I'm ready to let go of secrets and shame. You don't confess to be punished. You speak to be free. That's step 5.